Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to do the 8K video extreme temperature test in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So after the recent incidents, a lot of users they did ask me, can you please put your Oneplus Nord 2 into the extreme test and can you let us know what is the highest temperatures the phone is actually increasing. So that is the reason I thought of doing this kind of series, which is extreme stress levels putting on the Oneplus Nord 2. And during this process, I'll try to use the 8K video playback in the Oneplus Nord 2. Let's see how much the higher temperatures can actually the Oneplus Nord 2 can increase. And during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the stopwatch as well, as you can see exactly with full brightness completely. This is a 8K video which I'm trying to play. 8K video with full brightness and in the aeroplane mode as well completely. So this is going to be really very interesting test, friends. So I'm really interested to see how is the phone will be performing in terms of the temperatures. So I'll be back after maybe close to 15 minutes of time. Then we can actually discuss what is happening with the phone temperatures. So I'll just run it for only 30 minutes, not more than that, 30 minutes only depending upon temperatures. So if possible, I'll try to stop before as well. If it increases close to 50 degrees, then I'll try to stop before. So I'll let you know how it's going. So again, I'll be back after 15 minutes of continuously running. So right now, as you can see, it's been close to 15 minutes of non-stop playing in the Oneplus Nord 2 regarding the 8K video playback, intense kind of testing, and the temperature started to increase up to 42 degrees as well, 42. Friends at 41.8. With the full brightness I'm trying to play, full brightness only 42 degrees, as you can see friends, 42.2 is the highest in the Oneplus Nord 2. This is for the first 15 minutes only in this phone. And the back side 40.8 degrees, as you can see. So let's see again in the 30 minutes what will happen with the Oneplus Nord 2, then we can actually discuss further about this temperature reading in this Oneplus Nord 2 device. So again I'll be back after 30 more minutes of time. So as you can see friends, right now it's been close to 32 minutes of continuously playing the 8K video in this Oneplus Nord 2 device. Let's check the temperatures, how much it increased. 42.8 degrees. As you can see, 42.8. It's kind of close to 43 degrees in this phone, in the Oneplus Nord 2. As you can see friends, 43. Just now we did see the 43 as well. So highest temperature 43 degrees the OnePlus Nord 2 increased while playing the 8K video extreme stress test. This is extreme stress test which I'm trying to put on the OnePlus Nord 2, and the temperature increased up to 43 degrees as well during the process of demonstration. This is a quick review friends on the OnePlus Nord 2. The temperatures are slightly increasing more than usual when compared with other phones. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with the Realme X1 Max and POCO X8 GT. Then you will be able to understand a little bit kind of more details about the OnePlus Nord 2, what is happening. And regarding the battery, it decreased by 20%. From 50% it came down to 20% for this 30 minutes of time. Maybe I need to do the extreme battery draining test as well. I'll try to plan that kind of video very soon. So that's going to be a really interesting thing to see how much the battery will be draining. So as you can see, 43 degrees. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with other phones, so then you will get a clear idea what is happening with this device. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.